আমি বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়াম থেকে 12th এক্সামিনেশন পাস করেছি। তারপর আমি যখন SBIHM এর ব্যাপারে নিউজ পেপারে এবং ABP আনন্দ এবং আর আদার্স বিভিন্ন নিউজ চ্যানেলে যখন দেখলাম SBIHM আমাদের কলকাতার অন্যতম একটা কলেজ, তো আমার তখন মনে হলো যে না, আমি একবার গিয়ে অ্যাডমিশনের জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করি। তো আমার তারপর মনে হলো যে আমার হোটেল ম্যানেজমেন্ট নিয়ে একটু ভাবা দরকার। আই এম ভেরি প্রাউড টু বি এ SBIHM স্টুডেন্ট।
So when we have started in 1999, we had in our mind that we will teach students, we will create leader rather. Nobody born with the leadership power. That leadership ability may have within them, but leadership power we will inject in our students.
SBIHM বিগত 18 বছর ধরে হোটেল ম্যানেজমেন্টের এবং বিভিন্ন ম্যানেজমেন্ট কোর্সের উপর শিক্ষা দিয়ে চলেছে। SBIHM is giving the opportunity to study in all the management sectors since last 18 years.
Our infrastructure is state of the art. We have 2 campuses and we have different labs. The labs are all internationally graded labs, and apart from these we have well-maintained rooms, spacious rooms where students can accommodate. We have projection room for seminars and gatherings, and we have very well-equipped bars and restaurants, which is actually connected to the kitchen, like a 5-star property.
The lab that we have done over here is absolutely based on the 5-star standards. Whatever happens in the industry, we train the students according to that, and the service, the standards, the teaching standards. We have lots of innovations done.
হসপিটাল ম্যানেজমেন্ট যেটা আমরা বুঝি, হসপিটাল মানে হচ্ছে যে সার্ভিস, সে সার্ভিস টু দ্য গেস্ট, সার্ভিস টু দ্য কাস্টমার, সার্ভিস টু দ্য পেশেন্টস। এখানে ট্রেনিং বলতে প্রথমে আমরা থিওরি পড়াই, থিওরি পড়ানোর পর আমরা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ট্রেনিং দিই, এবং থিওরি এবং প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এই দুটো যখন তাদের আয়ত্তে চলে আসে তখন আমরা তাদের ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল ট্রেনিংয়ে পাঠাই।
We have front office lab, that's just simulation of the hotel lobby and the reception counter. The students during the practical they come to the lab, so we guide them how to handle the guest.
Basically, we teach the students about the different foods, their flavors, their taste, different herbs, different cuisines, and we take care of their practical knowledge as well as the theoretical knowledge. In the theory, it includes the taste, the nutritional value, the food content, everything, and the different adulteration processes. And practical includes basically the cooking methods and their taste and all this.
Food now has advanced a lot. It is now no more orthodox or authentic whatever it was there before. It has developed a lot now. Molecular gastronomy has come. It has become rich. It has become more developed. So we have to innovate ourselves. We have to research ourselves. We do the research. We tell our students to research over here. They come and do the practicals over here. We teach them about it, how to go about it, what spices to put, what ingredients to put, what new herbs to put, and make it more better.
আমি এই কলেজ বেছে নিয়েছি কারণ এই কলেজে রয়েছে আন্তর্জাতিক মানের শিক্ষা পদ্ধতি, 5-স্টার গ্রেডেড ক্লাসরুম, ডিজিটাল ক্লাসরুম, আমাদের ল্যাব। যারা এবছর উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক দিল তাদের জন্য এটাই বলতে চাই, তোমরাও যদি আমার মতো উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎ গড়তে চাও তাহলে তোমরা SBIHM এ যোগাযোগ করতে পারো।
We used to teach spoken English, Scotlandian language, French language, so that student can cope, student can cope in the outside of the abroad.
Just as in how operation goes on in the hotel, the food is prepared in the kitchen and they bring it in from the back door and then they serve it through the guests. So this is how we have been operating, and I believe that's such a perfect way of learning stuff because this is just how you do it. So we have been trained that way, and when we'll go on to the hotel, I think it will be really natural for us to pick it up. The fun part about the food fest was when we were being prepared for the food fest, we thought it was a really formal event. Like, we thought that guests would be really uptight, complaining, nagging, whining, they'll be angry, they will not want us. But when we actually went down to the field and we did all the steps that we have been asked to do, we realized that they're not always, uptight.
Internship they used to get from many countries like Canada, Australia, Middle East, European, many countries, and as well as they are getting their jobs in also from all those countries.
The SBIHM provides the 100% job placement in different sectors like hospitality sectors, hotel sectors, in cruise lines, in banking sectors, media sectors, and all the LIC departments.
I have just completed 6-month industrial training from Columbia Asia Hospital. Already I got the job offer from Columbia Asia Hospital.
Since its inception, SBIHM has been producing market leaders, and the students who have been passed out from here, I must say that they are the market leaders right now. They have been holding good positions in the industry, not only in hotels but all the sectors of the hospitality scene.
All around the world you will find SBIHM students. If you want to be out of them, then come and join SBIHM. Definitely we will make your career.